Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a flower pot for you with some array of flowers in a basket or tin with some eggs as well. So what you're going to need for this DIY is some of this brown decorative shred, some of this green, purple, and yellow decorative shred. You're going to need some, I don't know how you say it. I'll let you see it. These pink flowers. And then I'm reusing some of the roses that I used for Valentine's Day. And then I'm using some of these purple cattails. And then these eggs. And then some Dollar Tree sacks. And then some needle nose pliers. And some scissors. And some glue sticks and a glue gun. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get 3 Dollar Tree sacks and just wad them up and put them in the bottom. And this gives you like a little filler so you don't have to use quite as much of this. Then you want to put a layer of the brown down over the Dollar Tree sacks. Just like that. Then you want to put a small layer of this colorful shred. And then a little bit more brown. So you can kind of see the colored through it. But you want to make sure that all the Dollar Tree sacks are completely covered so you can't see them. Just like that. Okay? Alright, so then you want to set that to the side. Alright, then you want to open your package of eggs. And I don't like waste of any kind, so I'm going to be saving the bottom carton for a school project, because when we study butterflies in school, we'll have to make the stages of the butterfly for a little science project, and so this will be my little caterpillar, so I'm going to save that. Okay, so then you want to just set these eggs in whatever color order you want down into the decorative mesh, and you can just kind of finagle it into the mesh so it doesn't look like it's just all sitting on top. There you go, just like that, okay? Set that to the side. And you want to get your pliers, and then you want to cut off each strand. Okay, and then you want to cut off the tag. Alright, so then you have those, okay? Then you want to get your pink flowers, do the same thing, you want to cut them off. And I got this at the Dollar Tree too, by the way. Alright, once you got all the flowers cut off. Okay, and I have the roses that I used for my Valentine's project. I want to make sure and cut off this tag too. Alright, then you want to get your flowers. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you just want to put the purple cattails in the back, just like this, so they stand up. Because they're going to be your tallest ones, because they've got this onion grass with it. So you just want to okay, so you just want to periodically put them in the back, just like that. Then you want to put your roses, because they're going to be your shortest, in the front. Just like that. Okay, and then you want to put these pink ones around it. So if you got a tall one, you want to put it up like this. Alright, now, some of these roses are sticking up too much, so I'm just going to fold them down. Sorry, my cat scared me. Flowers are easy to finagle, so you just mess with it till you get it just like you like it. And you want to make sure you can still see your eggs in the front. As well. Alright, so okay, so then you want to spin that around so you can see. You got your eggs, and then you got some roses and the pink flowers, and then your cattails standing up in the back. Okay, now you want to get your rope, and we're going to glue rope handles on the side. So you're just going to kind of eyeball how big you want it, and then cut. And then you want to cut a second one the same length for the other side. Okay. Then you want to get your hot glue. You just want to glue, you just want to put a little bit of glue right there and right there, just like that. And then you're going to want to put your rope in the hot glue, just like that. so that you have a cute little handle. You want to do the same thing on the other side. So you want to put a little bit of hot glue right here, a little bit of hot glue right there. Put your rope down in the hot glue. Okay, there you go. You got two little handles. Obviously, you don't want to use these handles because they're just on with hot glue, but it's just there to make it look cute, like a little bit more rustic. So there you have your spring and Easter flower decor. Thanks for watching. See you next time.